electrostatic potential energy that already completed. Yes, in that one small part is pending. Electrostatic potential energy, two different models we have. One is electrostatic potential energy between interacting bodies. Another is for a single body, different particles now interact. So between two different bodies already completed, one single body electrostatic potential energy, that is known as a self energy, not completed. That self energy is our present topic. Yes, students, self electrostatic potential energy of charged rigid bodies. In that we have now two examples. That two examples now I am going to explain. But before that, one point of charge Q1, another point of charge Q2, these two separated by the distance small r. This electrostatic potential energy of the system known as interactive potential energy. That interactive potential energy U equal to K into Q1 into Q2 divided by small r. K into Q1 into Q2 divided by small r is interactive potential energy between two particles. This already we know, not only between two, 3 particles completed, 4 particles completed, 8 particles, that is cube also completed. Now, one charged rigid body. In that also, charged rigid body means in that body many charged particles are there. Many charged particles. So between those particles also this type of interactive potential energy there. The addition of all those interactive potential energy combinedly known as a self energy of the charged rigid body. That self energy now I am going to explain. Okay, just wait. Now, one charged thin hollow sphere I am taking. Students, it is charged thin, very thin, hollow sphere of radius capital R. Total charge on the sphere is capital Q. Radius R, very thin, means inner radius, outer radius almost the same. That is R1 equal to R2 equal to R. Hollow sphere we know. Yes, in this now, self energy is our target. Yes, for that, I am taking hollow sphere of radius R, charge small q. On that, one small layer, almost same radius, but the charge is a dq. So the interactive potential energy between Q1 to dq is du equal to K into Q into dq divided by capital R. Capital R is a constant. So total interactive potential energy U equal to K by R integral Q into dq. Yes, integration from 0 to capital Q, because net charge is a capital Q. So therefore, K Q square divided by 2R is a total self energy, that is a self electrostatic potential energy of a charged thin hollow sphere. K q square by 2r. Students, we know K equal to 1 by 4 by epsilon r. That's why Q square divided by 8 pi epsilon r capital R. So this is now self energy of charged thin hollow sphere. And students, here one more point. Suppose if it is a complete solid sphere, but that is a conductor. So charged, conducting, whether hollow or solid sphere, again answer is the same, kq square by 2r. The reason is, even though it is a solid, but it is a conductor. Conductor means charge resides only on the surface. So that's why thin hollow sphere are conducting, either thin or thick, but conducting sphere is again kq square by 2r. Okay, student, this is now first example for self electrostatic potential energy, simply known as a self energy. Okay, come on, take that. Yes, now coming to non-conducting solid sphere. Yes, so students, here it is non-conducting uniformly charged. Uniformly charged solid sphere. That total radius is capital R, charge is a Q. Yes, it is a uniformly charged. So that's why charge density rho equal to Q divided by 4 by 3 pi r cube, that equal to constant. Rho equal to Q by 4 by 3 pi r cube, that equal to constant. Yes, now self energy for this complete uniformly charged non-conducting sphere I am going to calculate. Just wait. Students, first here one solid sphere of charge Q, that is radius small r and charge Q, surrounding to that solid sphere one spherical shell of radius dr, that means thickness dr, radius again r, charge dq I am taking. Complete solid sphere surrounded with one hollow, that means a thin spherical shell of radius r, thickness dr, charge dq I have taken. Between these two means one solid sphere, one hollow spherical shell. Between these two, potential energy du equal to k into q into dq divided by small r. But students, here q meaning density into 4 by 3 pi small r cube. Density means not mass density, that is a charge density, volume charge density. And here dq is rho into 4 pi r square into dr. Rho into 4 pi r square into dr. Now I am going to substitute those. Then later integration from 0 to capital R. Therefore, total potential energy is K Q plus rho into 4 by 3 pi r cube, later I will write, dq means rho into 4 pi. Yes, 1 r, denominator 1 r cancel out. R cube into r to the power of 4. So r to the power of 4 dr, it is ready for integration from 0 to capital R. Students, r to the power of 4 dr, r to the power of 5 by 5. Yes, r to the power of 5 by 5. Here I am writing k by 5 rho into 4 by 3 pi r to the power of 5. Here r cube I am writing. Again rho into 4 pi into remaining r square here I am writing. So this is electrostatic potential energy. In terms of rho, I have written rho. Means this space charge density. Yes, suppose in terms of Q you need Q equal to rho into 4 by 3 pi r cube. Yes, here already, yes, in the form of Q is there, but this is not now Q, that's why I am multiplying 4 pi by 3 into 3, 1 r required. So that's why r by r. 4 pi by 3 r cube, 3 by r extra, that is 3 k by 5 r. 3 k by 5 r into q square. So this is for a solid sphere of radius r, charge q, self energy 3 k q square by 5 r. You can write k equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. After that 3 q square divided by 20 pi epsilon naught r. Yes, solid sphere, that is a non-conducting uniformly charged solid sphere, complete self energy. Come on, take that please. Yes, so students, suppose non-conducting uniformly charged, not solid sphere, hollow sphere of inner radius r1 and outer radius r2 is there, suppose. At that time, how to find out? Same du equal to k into q dq by r, okay. But q is not simply rho into 4 by 3 pi r cube now. dq, q equal to rho into 4 by 3 pi small r cube minus r1 cube you should write. Then dq equal to, again as it is, rho into 4 pi r square dr. But next to limitations, not from 0 to r, r1 to r2, because charge is there only from r1 to r2. Then later in terms of rho you will get the answer. Suppose you need again in terms of q equal to rho into 4 by 3 pi of r2 cube minus r1 cube. That you need to substitute. So now self energy of all spherical